Hey everybody, so we're going to do another Guess What's in the Box video. I'll give you a hint, it's red, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. And it's from AcmeTools. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so it's another Guess What's in the Box video. It is an AcmeTools box. It's going to be a short little, just play around, have some fun kind of video. It is. Let's use a side of the box that isn't crumpled. Okay, so the box is 11 inches and 7/8 of an inch wide by 11 inches and 1/4 inch long. And it is 9 inches and 3/4 of an inch tall. So, let me know what your guys' guesses down below are. The tool family is red. I'll let you guess what red family you think it is. And I appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick little video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my AcmeTools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!